Cooking a whole meal in one pot has always been my goal. Suddenly, it's gone viral. This approach to cooking pasta is fascinating because the pasta and the sauce ingredients are all cooked together. No more cooking the pasta, draining it, and then making the sauce as separate steps. It really is one pot. I've made a few changes to the viral recipe using chicken broth and adding shrimp. Let's cook.
So our ingredients are fettuccine pasta, because that's what I have, cherry tomatoes, a half cup of chopped kale from a salad kit, 2 cloves of garlic, a shallot or small onion, a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a handful of spinach, 2 basil leaves, a lemon for its zest, olive oil, a cup of shrimp, 2 cups of chicken broth, and salt. Let's start by cutting the cherry tomatoes in halves. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Finely chop the garlic. Chop up the onion. Chop up the spinach in big pieces. I'm using a saucepan large enough to hold the pasta. A bit bigger would have been nicer. Add some oil. Add the onion. Add the garlic. Add the tomatoes. And let that saute for a minute. Stir to avoid burning the onion. Add 2 cups of chicken broth. Get the broth boiling as you would water for pasta. Add the pasta and make sure it's covered in liquid. Cook for about 6 minutes. About half the time recommended because there will be more cooking afterwards. Add the kale, cook for another 2 minutes. Add the shrimp. and let that cook 4 minutes or so until the shrimp turn pink. Add the spinach. And the salt. Tear up and add some basil leaves. I grated the skin of about half of a lemon for lemon zest. Add a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix well. Serve.
So that's the one pot experience. It doesn't really matter who did it first. It really works.